Hello children, welcome to Pragati School channel. We will continue the exercise 1.3. In the exercise 1.3, problem number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 15 to 20, these problems are left. So today I am going to tackle few problems. And maybe 2 or 3 problems will be left for you to do by yourself. Okay. So first let us take problem number 15 in the exercise 1.3. So the problem is like this. A contract on construction jobs specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond certain date. We have given a work. If he will complete, okay. If he has not completed, he has to pay fine. One day fine will increase. That is the given problem. See, this is the problem which is there in day-to-day life. Okay, 200 rupees for the first day, 250 rupees for the second day, and 300 rupees for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day will be 50 rupees more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delays the work by 30 days. This is the given problem. You can open the textbook and you can check the problem. Now let me solve the problem. Okay. Now, so first day he has to pay 200 rupees. If you don't complete in the second day, he has to pay another 50 rupees extra. Therefore, 250 rupees. Next day, 300 rupees. Like this he has to pay. So, if he delayed the work by 30 days, that means it is 30 terms. 30 terms. So, I think now you have got the idea of the question. Okay. Now, A value 200, D value 200 minus 250 minus 200, 300 minus 250, that is D value is 50. So, N value equal to 30. Now, suppose if he will complete the work, he won't complete in 30 days, how much money he has to pay? 200 rupees plus 250 plus 300, like that 30 days. That is called S30, sum of 30 terms. We have to find, we have to calculate. Okay. Now, we have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the value of Sn we have to find. Therefore, Sn, that is S30 equal to 30 by 2 into 2 into A value is 200 plus n value 30 minus 1 multiplied by D value, it is 50. So, S30 equal to 30 by 2 into 2 into 200, this is 400 plus 29 multiplied by 50. S30 value equal to 30 by 2 into, this is 400 plus, now we have to multiply 29 with 50. 1 0 we will write. Now 5 9s are 45. Carry number 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1450. We will add S30 equal to 30 by 2 into, we add these two. When we add these two, we get 1850. Now, 2 1s are 2 15s are. So, S30 equal to 15 into 1850. Now I want you to multiply these two. Please check and multiply. Multiply and find the value. What will the value? I hope you have got now. 27,750. This much money the person has to pay. The contractor has to pay 27,750. Okay. Then we will go to next problem. I hope you have opened your textbook. Okay. In that exercise 1.3, again I repeat, problem number 16. 16th problem. The problem is like this. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. 700 rupees we are having. In that 700 rupees we have to give 7 prizes. Whether we have to give equally? No. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than the preceding, this is very important. Each prize is 20 rupees less. That means first prize it is X rupees. Second one 20 rupees less. X minus 20 plus another one, another 20 rupees less, X minus 40 plus etc. Like this. First prize, prize number 1, prize number 2, prize number 3, prize number 4, like that we have to give 7 cash prizes. That means 7 terms. 7 terms. So what is the total for all the 7 terms? It is 700 rupees. That means SN value equal to 700. N equal to 7. A equal to X. A means the first term. Next, D value. What is D value? This goes on decreasing. We write minus 20. So with this data, we solve the problem. The formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute the values for n, a, d and Sn. Let us substitute. Sn value, it is 700 rupees. N value is 7, 7 by 2 into 2 into, what is A value? We have written X, the first term. Next, what is N value? 7, 7 minus 1 multiplied by D value, it is minus 20. 700 equal to 7 by 2 into 2x plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into minus 20. 700 equal to 7 by 2 into 2x plus multiplied by minus, plus into minus, minus 6 2s are 12, 120. Next, 700 equal to 7 by 2. Now, from these two, I will take 2 common. 2 into, in 2x if I take 2, it is x, minus in 120 if I take 2, it will be 60. 2 and 2 will cancel. Now we transfer 7 to left hand side. 700 by 7 equal to x minus 60. When we divide it, we get 100 equal to x minus 60. Transfer minus 60. 100 plus 60 equal to x. That means x equal to 160 rupees. X means what? First price. First price is 160 rupees. Now let us write all the prices here. So the first one 160 rupees. Second one 20 rupees less 140. Again 20 rupees less 120. Again 20 rupees less 100. Again 20 rupees less 80. Again 20 rupees less 60. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more 40. If you add, you must get 700 rupees. So these are the money, the cash prices, that is 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. Okay, children. Now we will continue the next problem. So the problem is like this. In a school, students thought of planting trees. What we say, Vana Mahotsava, like that. It is better to plant trees. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of class will plant will be same as the class. That means first standard will plant 1 tree. Second standard will plant 2. Third standard 3. Like this they will plant. How many classes are there? Up to from class 1 up to class 12. That means last, that is 12 terms. 12 terms. First class, first term. Second class, second term. Third class, third term. 12th class, 12th term. 12th term. But one extra question they have added in this. There are 3 sections in each class. That is very important. In each class, there are 3 sections. In each class, there are 3 sections. Now we got 1 section means only this much. 2 section means multiply by 2. Since 3 sections, multiply by 3. Okay. So this is 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. 12 terms. You remember 3 formulas we have learnt. In that, I am going to use the third formula. Why third formula? Natural numbers. So therefore, this is S12. 3 into S12. 12. Here I will write the formula. Sn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula we are going to use. Third formula. So this is 12 into 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6. Now we multiply 3 into 6 into 13. That will give you total number of plants that they are going to plant. So total plants equal to, now multiply children, 3 into 6 into 13. Try to multiply. I hope you have got it now. It is 234. So in that school, all the sections, they are going to plant 234 plants. Okay. Now we take the next problem. Okay, here you can check question number 18. 18th question. A spiral is made of successive semicircles. The figure is given in the next page, figure 1.4, page number 22, you can check. So figure I will draw here. This is the straight line. This is the point A and this is the point B. So here from the point B, so we draw, this is a circle and this will continue like this. Like this will continue. So here, let us see how many semicircles are there. From here to here, this is L1, length 1, let us say. And from here to here, this, it is called L2. Okay. Next, from here to here, it is L3, third circle. So again, start from here to here, it is L4. Like that it will continue, a spiral. Now we will go back to the question. A spiral is made of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B. So one with A, it comes like circle, but we don't want circle, we want spiral. Therefore, this is L1, this is L2, L3, L4 and L5. Like this, how many they will have? The radius 0.5 centimeters, 1 centimeters, 1.5. See, this is from here to here, 0.5. Okay. Now, from here to here, this is over. Now, here to here means, again, we are going to add another one. So, this is 0.1, 0.5 we add. Then it will be 1 centimeter. Like that, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, as shown in the figure. What is the total length of a spiral made of 13 successive semicircles? 13, 1, 3. So, let us solve the problem. So, for the first semicircle, it is L1. For second semicircle, it is L2. Third one, it is L3. Plus etc. Like this. How many spirals? There will be 13 spirals. That means we write 13 times. We have the spirals 13 times. Okay. Now, let us see what is this L1. From here to here, it is called half circle, semicircle. That length L1 is called perimeter, half the perimeter. We have perimeter 2 pi r. For a circle, half divided by 2, 2 and 2 will cancel. So, perimeter is pi r. Perimeter will be pi r. So, pi into r value 0.5, pi into r value 1, pi into r value 1.5, pi into r value 2. Like that, the problem will continue. Okay. Now Now this L1, it is pi into 0.5 plus pi into 1, that is 1.0. Third one, pi into 1.5 plus etc. How many times? 13 times. So we want the total length. So in all these things, we have pi common. Pi into 0.5 plus 1.0 plus 1.5 plus etc. 13 times. 13 times. Find the total, multiply by pi. They have given the value for pi also, 22 by 7. Okay, the next one. So this is 22 by 7 is the value of pi. This is yes 13 because there are 13 terms. Okay, what is the value of A? 0.5. What is the value of D? Subtract, that is also 0.5. What is the value of N? It is 13. So with these values, we can use this formula. Now, so this is 22 by 7 into yes 13 by 2 into, here I will write the formula children, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula I am going to substitute here the values. So yes, n value is 13 by 2, 2 into, what is a value? 0.5 plus n value 13 minus 1 into d value 0.5. So this is 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5, 5 2s are 10, that is 1.0 plus 13 minus 1 is 6, 12. 12 multiplied by 0.5. So we will continue here. (22 by 7) into 13 by 2 into, we write the bracket here, square bracket. This is 1, that is 1.0 plus. We will multiply 12 with 0.5. 12 5s are 60, that means 6.0. We add these two. 22 by 7 into 13 by 2, add these two. This will be 7. Now 7 and 7 will cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So the value total length equal to (13) multiplied by 11. Multiply 13 with 11. How much you will get? Find the value. So 11 3s are 33. Carry number 3. 11 ones are 11 plus 3, 14. So here in the question, what they have asked, find the total length. So the total length will be 143 centimeters. Okay children, now In this exercise, we had 20 problems. Among 20 problems, almost all problems we have done. Only 2 more problems, problem number 19 and 20 is there, that you should do yourself. If you do by yourself, then you will get more knowledge, more confidence. Any other problems, based on that, you can solve it without any difficulty. Okay, so we will come to the end of this video. If you have any question, any doubt, you can send message to my number 9916675060. So with this video, we will come to the end of this chapter, that is arithmetic progression. So I am going to start the new video. In that new video, we will have the new chapter, that is pair of linear equations. That we will continue. Okay, thank you.